I'm here in Newport Beach talking with the people about smart homes. Today's question is from Julie. Why should I let my husband install a golf simulator in our house?
DIY, answering your custom smart home questions.
Since the pandemic, a lot of people have been interested in a golf simulator. I think they want to see the US Open.
Reason number 1.
Number 1 reason why we like golf simulators, the analytics. If you want to start shaping your shots, like turn your duck hook into a draw, you can do it here. You can easily learn about club head speed, smash factor, backspin, and all the different analytics because these systems really get into the details. Talking about details, let's talk about the courses. There's hundreds of courses you can play worldwide. You want to play Torrey Pines where the US Open's coming, or you want to see Pebble Beach because you haven't been there. It is awesome to play the different courses around the world.
Reason number 2.
The second reason we love golf simulators is because of workaholics like myself or convenience. If I worked too long that day and I couldn't get out to the course, it's really nice to play a full 18 or just hit the driving range. It's also really good for my friends because if they're working that day, they can meet me up at night and we can play a round of golf at night. Imagine the weather. If it's snowing or raining outside or even the whole season is shut down, you can still play as much golf as you want.
Reason number 3.
It's not all about traditional golf. Top golf is the new craze. Imagine playing that in your own home. Not just that, but you can also play mini games of all different sorts. We have soccer, baseball, zombie dodgeball, even carnival games for all ages. It's super fun. Speaking of fun, let's talk about the gaming world. You can reuse the golf simulator room as a virtual reality gaming center. It is a perfect place to where you can put on the headset and wow yourself in a whole new world of VR. Not just that, but a golf simulator room can even be doubled as a yoga and a wellness room. It's enough space to just go into Zen.
The DI solution.
If you're gonna DIY it and put up an impact screen and put the turf down, you're gonna be disappointed. These things need to be engineered right, from the start to the finish. If you want to see a golf simulator done right, please come to our showroom. We'll show you how it's done and why it's so important to make sure all the calculations are right. It's not just going to improve the whole experience of the golf simulator, but it's going to make sure it's more enjoyable for everyone.
Do you have a burning question for digital installers about custom smart homes? You can submit your question at digitalinstallers.com/questions. Every question will be answered by their staff, and some will even be made into a video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, like, and share.